Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Optoma ProScene ZU820TNL 3D DLP projector. I've looked through the internet, checked professional reviews, specs, and installer feedback, and in this video I'm going to help you decide whether the Optoma ZU820TNL is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that immediately stands out is the massive 8,800 lumen brightness output. That puts this projector into a completely different category from standard home theater projectors. This level of brightness is designed to handle large rooms and environments where ambient light cannot always be controlled. Whether it's a lecture hall, church, corporate presentation space, or immersive exhibit, this projector is built to stay bright and visible even on very large screens. The projector uses DLP projection technology, which is known for sharp image clarity, smooth motion handling, strong contrast, and long-term image consistency. One advantage many professionals like about DLP systems is that they generally maintain image quality very well over time, while also requiring less maintenance compared to older lamp-based designs. Resolution here is 1920 by 1200 with a 16:10 aspect ratio, which is especially useful for business presentations, education, simulation, and professional content because it gives more vertical workspace than standard 16:9 projectors. That extra screen space makes presentations and detailed visual content easier to work with. Another major highlight is the laser light source, which is designed for long operational life with lower maintenance requirements. Traditional lamp replacements can become expensive over time, but laser projectors are preferred in professional environments because they offer more consistent brightness and longer lifespan. One of the biggest strengths of the ZU820TNL is its installation flexibility. This projector supports interchangeable lenses, which means you can customize it for short throw, long throw, or standard projection depending on a room setup. That's extremely important in professional AV installations where mounting positions are often limited. The projector also supports 3D playback, making it useful for specialized environments like simulation systems, education, training applications, and immersive presentations. While 3D is less common in casual home use today, it still plays an important role in certain professional industries. Connectivity is strong as well, including HDMI, USB, and professional integration support, making it easy to connect PCs, media systems, and advanced AV setups. The USB functionality also allows direct projection from compatible devices, which can simplify presentations in business or educational environments. Now, after going through reviews and professional discussions, there are definitely some trade-offs worth mentioning. First, this is a large and heavy installation projector, so portability is not really part of the experience. This is something designed for permanent mounting or professional setup. Another major factor is price. The ZU820TNL sits firmly in the professional projector category, meaning it costs significantly more than consumer-level projectors. And because lens options may be purchased separately depending on installation needs, total setup costs can become even higher. There are also some normal DLP considerations. Certain sensitive viewers may occasionally notice the rainbow effect, although higher-end professional DLP projectors usually minimize this much better than cheaper models. And while this projector can technically be used for home theater setups, it's honestly far more projector than most casual users need. Its real strengths are commercial reliability, brightness, and large-scale deployment rather than simple movie nights at home. So, would I recommend buying the Optoma ProScene ZU820TNL? Honestly, yes, if you need a high-brightness professional laser projector for large venues, business environments, education, or commercial installations. The combination of 8,800 lumens, DLP sharpness, laser reliability, interchangeable lens flexibility, and professional-grade performance makes it a very capable solution for demanding environments. But if you're simply looking for a projector for casual home movies or gaming, there are far more affordable and practical options available. Overall, this feels like a true commercial-grade projection system built for serious professional use, where brightness, reliability, and installation flexibility matter more than portability or budget pricing. And for that audience, it delivers extremely impressive performance.